In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in YouTube Studio so your dashboard is easier on the eyes. First, open YouTube Studio in your browser at studio.youtube.com. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select Appearance. Choose Dark Theme, or use Device Theme if you'd like it to match your computer settings. If you're using the YouTube Studio app on your phone, tap your profile picture at the top right. Go into Settings, then tap Theme or Appearance. Select Dark Theme to turn it on. And that's it. Dark mode is now enabled in YouTube Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other YouTube tips.